as discussed before that, today's lesson, in order to select the data and display on the browser. But before that, I will repeat the previous steps. I will create database. Inside the database, table will be created. Then PHP page will be created in order to store the data. And after that, what? Tarikh? 30. And another page that will select and display the data in PHP, right? So now first of all, start web server, red color, then yellow, and then white color. When it's white color, means it's working. Now Internet Explorer open. Here I'm writing localhost /php my admin, or let's simply write here localhost, and here you are having PHP my admin. Clicked. Now the first thing, I'm going to create a database. For example, the database name student. Click on create. Database student created. In front of student, in the brackets written 0, means to say student database having 0 tables. Here I'm going to create a table by the name of std, and number of fields, how many columns I need. So for example, I'm having student registration number, or student roll number or registration number, student name, and let's say the subject marks I'm going to save. 4 subjects the first semester, or let's say of this semester. You are having web designing 2, Visual Basic 2, network infrastructure, and RDBMS 1. So total how many fields I'm having? 4. What about name and what about registration number? 6 fields you are having. Go. Now mention the first field here. I'm writing here, this is registration number. Registration number, take it as integer, and length or value, here I'm writing, watch carefully, here I'm writing 3. You know what's the meaning of 3? 3 means starting from 1 up to 3 digits, 999. Registration number, mean to say you will make entry of 1 registration number, then 2nd, then 3rd, then 4th, then 5th, then 6th, and so on, and the last record will be 999. If instead of 3 I am writing 4 here, so what's representing 4? Starting from 1 up to 9999, 4 times 9, mean to say first record, second record, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and the last record will be 4 times 999, right? Okay, so I'm selecting 3 here. Again, move forward. What's this? Extra. From extra I'm selecting auto increment. Auto increment. What's the meaning of auto? Automatic. Increment, increase, automatically increase. And I'm selecting this as primary key. So this field I've taken it as auto number. Number will be generated automatically for this. Registration number will be generated automatically. Now again, next thing here I'm going to write student name, varchar, variant character, and I'm writing here 50 characters. Now 50 do not mean that you are having starting from 1 up to 99999. No, 50 means that it will reserve how many locations? 50 locations will be reserved. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last location will be 50. This will be 49, and so on. And this is 1 and 2 like this, right? For example, I am going to store Ali. A will be stored here, L will be stored here, I will be stored here, and the rest of location will be deleted then. Got it? Now, S name I have taken as varchar. Varchar stands for variant character. Now the next thing, I am having the web designing. This is web designing subject. Take it as integer and 3. Next one, network infra, also integer, take it size 3. Again, RDBMS So from here you can select integer. This is integer, right? And in front of that I'm writing 3. And the next field, next subject VB, this is also integer and I'm going to take it as 3. And now simply click on save. Now watch, student database, student is the name of database, in the brackets written 1, it says student database having 1 table, right? Okay, what's the name of my database? Student. Minimize my computer, C drive, WAM, www. Here I will create a folder, Control Shift N. This is by the name of student. Same name, right? I copied the student name. Right? Like this, right click, rename, right click, copy, because this name will be needed again and again. Now here I created database inside by the name of student. Inside the student database, table is well created. Okay, after that, you have to open Dreamweaver and manage the site. Open Dreamweaver and manage the site. Database created, table created. In the C drive, WAM, www, I also created the folder, right? The same folder, same name as that of database. Now Dreamweaver open. In the Dreamweaver select PHP. After that, site, new site, Control V. This is my site name. Here as well, Control V, the same student. Next, want to use the server technology? Yes, of course, use server technology. And which one server technology? PHP MySQL. Next, now the first option you have to select, and from here you have to select that location where my computer, C drive, WAM, www, and here I am having student, and click on select. Has it selected student? No. Paste it from your own side. Again next. Now again HTTP. Localhost and paste it here, student. Click on test URL. Okay. And next again. Here again it's asking about the remote server. I don't have any remote server. Simply click on no. Next and done. Site managed. After the site management, what I have to do? I have to create a form. Insert form, form inserted. Inside the form, insert table. Now, right now I need a table of exactly like you have to watch towards the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fields, but registration number is auto increment and primary key. I will not make entry in registration number. Automatically it will make entry. So there, for registration number I will not take any field. Now I will take fields for student name, web designing, network infra, RDBMS and Visual Basic only. 5, 7 rows and 2 columns. Table width 500 pixels. Table selected. Alignment center. All cells selected. Horizontal alignment left, vertical alignment top. First row selected, merge. Last row selected, merge. Now first row alignment center. Control 1. Entry form. Control 1 for heading 1. Control 1 for heading 1. Now what's the first field name in the database? Registration number, but I'm not going to write the registration number. I will write the student name. Right here, student entry form. Name, web designing, network infra. Network infra. After network infra, RDBMS and Visual Basic. Visual basic. Now in front of all these you have to take controls. Now in front of name, insert, form and text fields. In front of web designing, insert, form, text field. In front of infra as well, form, text field. RDBMS, insert, form and text field. And next one, Visual Basic, insert, form and text field. Okay, for name the text field fine, but for web designing the text field is too much big. Make its size smaller. Here I'm writing 10. 10 and this one as well 10. Right, now again here first of all alignment center. Now insert, form, one button inserted and one more button. Insert, form, one more button. The first button, this is submit, okay, and the value save. This is for reset and I'm writing here clear. Now apply some color schemes on the, let me apply first of all page properties. From here default font, word in a size 12 selected from here, text color dark blue color, left margin 0 0 0 and this one as well 0. Apply, okay. Background color and the text color, overall table, first row selected, change its background color to next one and this one as well. Clear up to here? And here in the title I'm writing student entry form. Control S, save it by the name of entry.php. Now by default here you will have common. By default you are having here common. Okay, one thing more before that, go to window, select databases and make connection with the database. MySQL connection name CN. Localhost, MySQL server, we have to write here localhost. Username root, password no password. Database, select database from here. Database name student, click on OK and test. It's asking about the password that you haven't made entry of the password, but it's okay. OK and OK here as well. Connection made, okay. Now by default you will have common option here. From here you will select what? Application selected. So here insert record, you have to click on this arrow. Click on this arrow, select the second option, insert record. Now watch. Form 1, this red color visible to all of you, this is your form 1. Connection name CN. Insert into which one table? Into STD. Okay, that's fine. Now it's saying registration number. Do I have any control for registration number here? No. So leave that. Go to the next one. For S name, I'm having the first text box. For web designing, I'm having the second text box. For network infra, I'm having the third. For RDBMS, I'm having the fourth text box. And for VB, I'm having the last text box. And after inserting, go to which one page? Entry.php, entry.php, and click on OK. This is done. Control S, page saved. Now check it out. Let me run. Separate tab open. Here I'm writing http://localhost. Enter. What's the name of your project? Click on student, and here you are having the entry.php. Click. Make entry of, let's say, Khan has got 9988 9988. Click on save. PHP my admin, click on this STD and click on browse. 1 Khan 9988 9988. Again one more record For example, here I'm writing Jamal 990990. Save. And again here in the local host is the first record. Now again click on browse. Here I'm having the second record to Jamal 990990. Now I want to fetch the records. I want to get the records and want to display like this here, like this in a separate page, not in PHP my admin. This is too much. This area is too much dangerous. For example, you are going to give access to someone else. That person can delete record. That person can edit record. That person can delete your database as a whole. This is database selected. If somebody is going to click on this drop, database gone. And for example, your database having 30, 40, 50 tables. Then, so now in order to display the data on the browser, then what we have to do? Again, watch here. Control N. Dynamic page and PHP. This is basic. You are having HTML, you have to select dynamic page and then you have to select PHP. Dynamic page selected, right? Now page properties, let me set page properties. This is word enough, font size, I'm having 12, text color blue color, left margin 0, this one as well 0, this one as well 0, this one as well 0. Apply. Okay. Now watch towards database first of all and click on the table. How many fields I am having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fields I am having. I need a table. Insert table. I need a table of 3 rows and 6 columns. Of width, okay, 600 pixels. Click on OK. Table already selected. Alignment center. All cells selected. Horizontal alignment left, vertical alignment top. First row selected, merge. Alignment center. And now right here, control 1, student stored information. Already stored. What was the first field? Registration number. Next one, name. Next one, registration number, name, then network infra, web designing, then network infra, then RDBMS, then VB, Visual Basic, right? Make the registration number smaller, name is bigger, okay, that's fine. And right, background color of that cell like this, text color white color, right? Now all of them, their headings, make them bold, and their alignment center. Also change the background color of this one row as well. Background color, let me make it a little darker, and the text color to white color. Again, table selected, cell padding 3 and cell spacing as well 3 by 3. Connection with the database already made. What's this? Binding. Click on the binding. Click on the binding. And after that click on this plus. Record set. I'm going to create a record set. Record set. Record means single piece of information. Record set, lot of information from the database I'm going to pick. Record set. What is the name of record set? RS. R for record, S for set. Any name you can write. Through which one connection? The connection CN. From which one table? From STD table. And you need all columns. Yes, I need all columns. Simply click on test and check it out. Right now I'm having these 2 records. So 2 records. The record set will be created for these 2 records. I'm saying okay, that's fine. And okay here as well. Now click on this plus. Right? What's this? Registration number. Drag, drop it here. Student name. Drag and drop here. Web designing. Click, drag and drop here. Network infra. Drag and drop here. Next, RDBMS, drag and drop it here. And the last one, VB, drag and drop. Bas. And here in the title, list of registered students, and save this. Control S. I'm going to save this by the name of select.php. Select. Now let us check its output. One more entry I'm going to make. For example, this is for Kamal. Kamal has got 77, 66, 77 and 65 marks. Save. Okay, now remove it. Enter. Select page is not here. Refresh it. Here I'm having the select.php. Click 199, 99, 88. What about the second record? What about the third record? Okay, I'm going to refresh. Not picking the records. Okay, again watch here. Select this an area. Select it. After binding, what is this? Server behaviors. In the server behavior, click on this plus. And what's this? Repeat region. Repeat region selected. Mean to say record set name RS, yes. Show how many records? 10 records? No, I need all records. And click on OK. Mean to say repeat this one area. Repeat. Now watch it out here. A small repeat is written here. Control S. Now watch it out here. Refresh. And here the rest of 3 records are having. Now if I make it a little bit more attractive, so that will be better. Control N, a new page, dynamic PHP page selected, right? One page I'm writing here, entry page, and another I'm select page. Entry page selected, and link it with entry. Select page selected, and link it with select.php. Welcome to main page. Control S. This is my index.php. Index.php. Right? Now whenever you are going to run this project, automatically it will go towards that one page. Entry page, back. Select page, back. Entry page. Okay, this is Umid 0000. Save. Back. Click on select page and watch it out. For Umid 0000. Is this clear? Yes. Now lot of things remaining here. Mean to say on the basis of web designing, network infra, RDBMS and VB, I will calculate obtained marks. On the basis of obtained marks, then I will calculate percentage. On the basis of percentage, I will calculate grade. And on the basis of grade, I will find out the status of the student. Either the student is pass or fail. STATU status. Now, if a specific student is fail, that record will be highlighted then. For example, the Umid is fail here. So this Umid record will be highlighted. This is example. I'm also failed. Let's say, these two students fail. So these two records you have to highlight. How to highlight these two records? Inshallah, we are going to study this in the next class. Right now you are having 30-40 minutes you are having for the practice here. Do practical. If WAMP is not available in all computers, so 2 or 3 students sit on one computer, have a practice on this. If you are facing any problem, you can ask. And give me your flash drives. Let me copy the lesson to you people. Thank you so much.